step 2. You've disassembled the unit down to this point. We will take the nut and use it on the bottom. Or if you want to use the nut on the top like it had it originally, you can use an extra nut off of the kit if you buy the kit. Screw this on down. Place your disc face down. Place the piece on top of that. Take your switch, feed it back through, and screw it in. When you cut the nipple, if you cut the nipple, be sure and put a nut on the nipple so that you can take it off the end that you cut to allow it to screw into the switch. Tighten this up. So not real tight, just kind of firm. Then proceed to screw this back together with the 3 screws. Pop your 3 screws in there and you will have a complete unit ready to go in. At this point, make sure that you fit it into the bulb so that make sure that it comes out the bottom far enough for your end pieces, which will be this. And your little round nut on the end. Come on. When you put those together, you want to line these holes up. And you take your little round nut. Oops. Slide that up there. And make sure it will start and screw on. So do that. Make sure that way it holds it. And that's the way it'll be up on your ceiling fan. That's in step 2.